What's good, guys? Welcome back on my channel. So today, guys, I'm going to show you how you can literally get and download free Skillshare courses for free. If you guys don't know what Skillshare is, Skillshare is actually a platform that allows you to learn online with over 25,000 courses online that you can learn from computer science, videography, video editing, programming, all the stuff that you want, animation, video animation, pretty much everything you want to learn is actually found on Skillshare. So today, guys, I'm going to show you how you can actually get Skillshare videos courses for free. Because these videos are not for free, you have to pay over $49 to $200 per month to actually watch these videos. So today, guys, I'm going to show you how you can literally get all these videos, the videography, photography videos for free. You can actually literally get them to your Google Drive and download them on your website. So the first step you guys have to do is actually go to the website, which is called Skillshare right here. If you actually have a course that you want to learn on Skillshare, you go on Skillshare and you actually look for a topic that you are really interested in and the course that you really want to learn. So I'm going to pick at random just to show you how this is actually going to work. The first thing that we are going to do, the first thing is we are going to look for a course on Skillshare. After looking for a course on Skillshare, if you find the course, you're going to pick that course and actually go to the link that I'll leave in the description below. After you go to that link in the description below, you are going to pretty much just get the link that I'll give you, the link of the course, and paste it into the website that I'll just leave in the description below. So guys, I'm going to choose a course that I want to learn right now. I think I'm going to go with Python. I'm going to just search Python here and I'm going to show you how this actually works. There are a lot of courses that you can actually choose from Python, so I'll just look for a good course. This is just an example. I'll just get a good course, a Python course that is good for beginners, and I'll just show you how it's going. So I'm going to get this course right here by QT. I'm going to choose this one with this thumbnail over here. I'm going to choose that one. Yeah, here it is. So this is the course right here. So here is where the tutorial actually starts. So the first thing you guys have to do is actually go to the link in the description down below, and after you go into the link in the description down below, you have first to go here on the top left corner and you click on the arrow and you change it to connected to Oxted Exchange, and after that you go back to runtime. Over here on the top right corner, you look for runtime, and after you click on runtime, you look for where it says change runtime time, and change it to be GPU. And now run the first cell. If you receive a message like this, just click on run anyway. And now you just wait for the command to be executed. After it is executed, just click on the link to connect your Google Drive account. So here is the link. So all you have to do is copy this link and go and paste it in the other website here on Google Lab. So after you have to paste the link. So after pasting the link, you click enter and you have to wait for the command to be run so that your Google Drive will be set to this website. Just give it the time and it's going to be run. So after it's done running the command, you go ahead and click on the second cell and start running the commands. It's literally going to take about 1 minute or even 30 seconds. So you just give it time, it's going to work. just follow step by step on what I'm saying and what I'm doing right now. So here it's taking time, guys. I don't know what's happening. I think my connection is actually bad. Just give it time and it's actually going to. Yeah, after it's done, you go ahead and run the fetch sale here. First of all, you go back to your Skillshare and you copy the link of your courses on Skillshare. And after you go back to the website, the Google Colab, and you paste the link of the course. So, oh, I forgot. You have to click on Control C, and you go back to the website. You click on Control V to paste the link, and you click on Enter and start running the command. What this is going to do, it's actually going to take your courses from Skillshare and it's going to transfer it to your Google account. It's actually going to take time as most, because the courses depend on the amount of courses or videos that are on Skillshare. So it's actually going to take time. It's actually running this command which are transferring my courses to my Google Drive. Go ahead and run also the last sale, and here it is almost done. So I'm going to log in into my Google Drive to show you guys what's happening and how it's actually working. It's almost done. So let me just go ahead and search Google Drive login. Yeah, there it is. I'm just going to log in with my Google account, and I'm going to show you that the courses are actually in my Google Drive, and I'm going to show you also how you can actually download them so that they can remain on your PC, on your Windows PC or Mac OS. This works for both Windows and Mac, so even for Linux or the operating system is actually working for it. So as you can see, here are the courses that I was talking about. The courses has been transferred into my account, so I'm going just to show you. You click on the folder down below. You click on the courses, and there it is. Here are the videos. I actually took a lesson of Python because I'm really interested in learning Python, so this was just an example showing you guys how you can actually get a free courses on Skillshare without paying anything. So this is one for people who cannot afford Skillshare. If you guys really enjoyed this video, please make sure you subscribe to my channel, like the video, and don't forget to share it. As you can see, it's actually working right now. If you really subscribe to my channel and just leave a like button on this video, it's actually going to help me a lot. So thanks you guys for watching my videos, and thanks to all of you who made it as far as this time on this video. So you guys can see I'm actually watching a course of Python right now and I'm actually working. If you guys really enjoyed this type of video, please make sure to leave a comment below and let me know in the comments below. So I'll see you in the next one.